welcome back to my channel CSIP Academy. Today I am going to discuss about Python Pandas. Actually, Python Pandas it is a library. Actually, what is a library? Suppose if you know very well, suppose you are writing import math. So math it is a library that it contains different types of functions related with math like sqrt, sqr. That's already you have done in class 11. So today without any delay I am going to discuss about the main topic. Pandas is a software library for the Python programming language. Actually Pandas, this library contain mainly three parts. Series. In a series part, data is arranged in 1D array. In a one-dimensional array. 1D array means one-dimensional array. Suppose and the another part is data frame. Data is organized in the 2D form. Actually we can say 2D. What is a 2D data? 2D data we can say it is in matrix form. Yani 2D data means suppose you have done in graph x-axis and y-axis. Yeah, you can say in another way, data is arranged in the form of rows and columns. Okay, clear all of you? So next is panel. Panel means three-dimensional data. One thing I am going to tell you that panel it is not a part of our syllabus. So we are not going to discuss about the panel, and it is a 3D data, and all these functions of series, data frame, panel, all are defined in Pandas. So we are writing generally import Pandas as PD. Lots of students don't know what is PD. PD it is an alias name. Alias means it is an alternative name of Pandas library. It is an alternative name of Pandas library. So suppose we can define, I am going to discuss about the series part. What is a series? It is a one-dimensional array. There are two ways, there are two types of series, non-parameterized series and parameterized series. Non-parameterized series, you are seeing here, it doesn't take any argument, it is a non-parameterized, and parameterized series means it takes some argument. Suppose if you are writing here pd.series data and a comma index. Okay, clear? So suppose I am going to discuss about first thing, import pandas as pd. S1 is equal to pd.series print s1. Whenever you will write print s1, it will print such that it is an empty series, it will print as an output. I am going to discuss about what are the different ways of creating series. So I am going to discuss about how we can create a series. So let us students see here what is series. We can create a series by using list, by using dictionary, and the next one is tuple. All you know about what is a list, that already you have done in class 11. You know very well what is a list, dictionary and tuple. Without any delay I am going to discuss about what is a list. How can we create a series by using list. So suppose I am just going to discuss how to create series using list. Series using list. All you know, series it is a part of a pandas. So we have to write here import pandas as, we can write, we can give any name. Suppose I am writing here P. Import pandas as P. What is a P? It is an alternative name of pandas library. So I am going to create a series. S1 is equal to P dot. Always remember S must be in uppercase. Uppercase means it must be in capital. Okay. So series. Suppose I am writing here 2, 5, 7, 8. All you know that list must be written in square bracket. So whenever you will print S1, what will be its output? So output will be like, I am writing here output. See here, all of you see here, output must be, it will display 2, 5, 7, 8, and its index value will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, in the next video I will describe about how to create series by using dictionary, and how can we create a series using tuple, and also how to create a series using ND array. Okay, next, thanks for viewing my channel. If you have any suggestion, comment me. Thanks, lots of thanks for viewing my channel.